Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gigi, and squad, let me just tell you, today's a bit of a fail. I am still on the fence about this nail. Actually, I'm not on the fence at all. I think it's hideously cute, right? Do you know when you do something that it's like, you know it's not quite right, but it's still tugging at your heartstrings? That's this nail. So we're going to make a little ornament on a tree, and right now we are just plotting out where all of our little branches and whatnot are going to go. And the base of this nail is Model 1s. The paint we're using right now is the solid painting gel from Model 1s, number 33. I'm not going to remember all the numbers, but as always, I will pop that down in the description box for you guys. So if you like anything I'm using, you will be able to go look it up and find it. I need to make a storefront on Amazon so I can link the products for you guys and then, get a little kickback from Amazon. So it helps me buy more stuff for the channel. I don't know if they'd consider me right now, though, because I have kind of a small channel. We'll see. We'll see. I'll give it a shot. So now we're just coming in and making the little needles. So I guess it would be a pine tree. I'm not sure if you... I know there's a difference between a fir and a pine. I don't know what that is. I'd have to look it up, and I'm not gonna. So please let me know in the comment section if you know what the difference is. So we're just making all those little needles, making them super cute. Now this is the part of the nail I actually don't have that big of a problem with. My problem is my circle. We're about to get there. We're about to get there. So we're just making those little slashes. That part's not that hard. I feel like I could have done better on it all. Let's keep it for real. Now I'm making my circle, and you can tell. Normally my circles are a lot better than this, you guys. You know this. You've seen me make circles before. But for some reason this day, I don't know what it was. No matter how hard I tried, I could not get the circle right. And when I go to make the outline, oh, it's even worse. Here we go. So I'm going to outline it in black, and then we are going to cover that with the silver, which you see sitting there as well, just a little bit up out of frame. And again, these are the Model 1 cream gels. I use them so much that I know the numbers by heart. The black is 001, and the silver is 011. So if you like those, and honestly, guys, these are fun to paint with. They are not perfect for everything. Don't get me wrong. They're not. But for the things that they work for, they're perfect. I love them on another level. I am so open to trying all of the gels and all of the painting gels, but so far, I lean heavily on those. They're just so great. Now we're using that silver to come in and make the little cap at the top. And then I'm going to, again, outline it on top of the black with the silver, which at first it doesn't seem like it's really doing that much, but you will see. It gives it more of like a pewter quality, right? Especially once we get the poly gel and everything else down. So we're going to add a little bit of that makartt. Now, I'm not sure I'd use this to build a nail, but this little plastic brush that I got in a set for $1 somewhere with a little alcohol in it is so good with this poly gel. It doesn't stick to it. It just really works. Where all of my hair brushes, it's a nightmare. So I'm not recommending anything. I'm just saying it doesn't stick to it. Maybe we'll try something. Let me know in the comment section. Do you want to see me try to build a nail with that brush? Let me know. So now we're sticking in some of these little, I don't know if they're plastic or resin or glass baubles that I have. They're some of the first things I got for my nail art. And they're just the ones that you can buy, with the little micro beads and other metal bits in those little screw-on top containers. And so I'm just pushing those in. I probably could have done a slightly less thick layer of the poly gel, but live and learn. I think that is the part of it that I like the most, the way that the gems look with the glitter that we pour on, we are going to take this glitter, which is called Crystal Diamond, and I got it at like Michael's or something, I don't remember. And it fills all those little spaces. Guys, I'm sorry I'm off to the side a little bit. I don't know what I think I'm doing right now, right? This was another fail in the video, is that I clearly thought I was in frame because where that dish is, but the dish got moved or something. And no, I wasn't really that well in frame. So, sorry. And that's going to happen here in just a minute. Again, this is an extra soft toothbrush. I just really love it for cleanup. It really gets everything. So if you're not a fan of those really hard nail brushes, try a super soft toothbrush. It really does work. And it gets in all those nooks and crannies and gets all the dust out. Or glitter. Now again, totally off frame or out of frame. I'm sorry, you guys. No amount of editing would fix that. Guys, here is the finished nail. It's a little off round. It's not quite round, but I think it came out cute. I don't hate it. Let me know in the comment section what you think. And while you're down there, be sure to click all my buttons because YouTube loves that. And when you do that, they love me, and then they give me more people. So help me get more people. Thank you so much for spending time with me this week. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.